Hey man, so Nike and Jordan Brand think they can get over on us, bro. They think they can get over on us with these Air Jordan 4 industrial military blues, but I'm just now hit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I was too excited for the shoe. That kind of pushed away the things that were ultimately wrong with these Air Jordan 4s, man. Stick around, stay tuned. We gotta talk about this Air Jordan 4 military blue release. Let's get right to it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It is greatly appreciated, man. I had to come on YouTube. We had to talk about the huge elephant in the room, and a lot of people been talking about it on Instagram, Twitter, X, all types of social media platforms, and even on my YouTube channel. So we had to make the video. We had to talk about it. Before we do, if you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need you to go ahead and do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. It'll be greatly appreciated. It helps the channel grow. It's gonna let everybody else know what to expect when copping these Air Jordan 4 military blues, because it ain't gonna be as pretty as we thought, man. The release is bittersweet, man. It's a bittersweet release. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop into the details. All right, guys, so as you can see, man, y'all know what we got, bro. We ain't gotta say it too much more. I ain't gonna keep saying military industrial blue the whole video, because y'all know what we here for. Y'all know what we are talking about. And I've gotten a couple of comments over the course of the past week and a half, ever since the shop drop. People got their shop drop pairs in. People got their pairs they bought early on StockX, got their pairs early they got on GOAT, and things have been recurring in the comment section. They saying it's a huge issue with this release, and you guys should probably know what it is, man. When we're talking about these mass-produced Air Jordan sneakers, and it is the overall quality of the shoe. And like I said, man, when I first got the sneaker, I was just excited because I had the military blues. I said, I don't care about nothing else. I'm finally, you know, happy that I got them, bro. Like, I never had them, always wanted them in a collection. And now I just feel like Nike just kind of got over on all of us, kind of hit us with a little doozy, you feel me? Because they know we really wanted the military blues, and they brought them back OG fashion, OG form, Nike gear on the back. The blue is darker, just like the OG pair. And it all comes down to the actual release. And the quality is terrible. When I say terrible, bro, it is terrible, bro. It's even worse than the 2016 Air Jordan 4 white cements. And I gotta grab them, bro. I gotta grab them real quick. You guys can see, man, I complained so bad about the quality on these. I just feel like it should have been so much better on these white cements. They brought back an OG, they brought back a classic, but then they shorted us, bro. They shorted us on the quality that we deserve. Like, I feel like every shoe from now on, ever since these bad boys right here, ever since this release right here, I feel like all of them should have this nice quality on the shoe, bro. I haven't heard any issues about quality control, about sizing, about any of that for the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines, but we got all these issues with the military blues like it's 2016 and we getting the white cement Air Jordan 4s, man. But like I said, man, it's kind of to be expected, you feel me? It is to be expected. But at the end of the day, bro, if Nike know it's to be expected with these mass-produced sneakers, why not just slow it down a little bit? Why not just slow it down or even make it just a little bit more limited? Not over 1 million pairs, maybe like 750,000. Maybe that's enough. And then we get some nice quality on our Air Jordan 4s, because this is what we're gonna have, bro. This is it. We don't know when the next time we're gonna get the military blues. We don't know what's gonna happen. So now I see why a lot of people are gonna be doubling up, are gonna be tripling up, because once you wear these for a while, I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll as well, just so you can see the flat leather all around. And even this, what material is this? This ain't a nubuck, this ain't a suede. It's like a softer leather. I don't know what they doing with it, bro, but I'm telling y'all, it's nothing to where it should have or could have been potentially in terms of the execution and the quality of these military blues, man. So I don't know, bro. Nike got it, bro. They said we're gonna make 1 million plus pairs. They said y'all been asking for them, and then we got them, and then we get stuff like this. And y'all know I'm not the one to complain. I'm not the one to complain about quality. I'm not the one to complain about anything, but it just seems like every time we get these crazy drops, these huge releases, we get things that happen like the Air Jordan 3 reimagined, where the elephant print was off, the paint was off, the stitching sometimes was off. And I just can't wait. I haven't even opened my size 10 up yet. You guys know I hit on 2 pairs on the shop drop. I hit on a size 9 and I hit on size 10. I don't have the 10 with me currently, but when they do return back to the studio, I definitely gotta see and compare the qualities, because I haven't even worn these yet. The left shoe, I wore the right shoe. I haven't worn the left shoe right here, but you guys can see you already have mad creases in the toe box, bro. I don't know, man. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just being a little bit more particular with the shoes since everybody kind of made it aware to me about the quality. And it's just like, bro, Nike, Jordan Brand, they done did it again as far as, oh, they didn't ruin it, bro, but they definitely knocked the release a little bit more. And then another huge reason why I am mentioning the quality, because if you don't remember, a couple of days ago, we did an Air Jordan 4 Bread versus Air Jordan 4 Military Blue, the reimagined breads, of course. And we just asked people, you know, which one you like more as far as the best Jordan 4 of the year, these or the Bread 4 Reimagines. And you'll be surprised on how many people, I'm talking about, it had to be like a 90% to 10% ratio in favor of these Bread Reimagines. And you know the main comment that I got, that I seen, that people, you know, really wanted these, it was because of the quality. It was because of the comfort of the shoe. And you guys know I did do an on feet on these. I did on feet. I threw them on feet, and they were not as comfortable as the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. So you guys be ready. Y'all stick around. Y'all stay tuned. It's still going to be a shoe that I cop. I still love these military blues. Do not get me wrong. But I just know I'm not going to make the same mistake I did in 2016 when I copped these joints right here. I'm going to go up a half a size on the military blues, and I'm gonna have to get a multiple pairs, bro. I had to get 2-3 pairs, man, because I know I'm gonna wear these a lot. I wore my Air Jordan 4 Breads 2019 pair a lot, so I gotta have a fresh pair, man. Almost like a pair of Air Force Ones. You always wanna have a fresh, crispy pair, because these are going to crease badly, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna crease badly on the military industrial blues. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you have this same issue. Maybe your pair has some super nice leather quality. Who knows? Sometimes that does happen as far as the different shipments, as far as the different factories that produce these sneakers. They might have a little bit better quality as far as the leather, as far as the paint issues and stuff like that. You just never know. So let me know how your pair came. Did they come in pristine condition? Did they fit like a size that you already used to wear? Let me know all that down below in the comment section, man. I'm super interested in knowing. And of course, if you guys did not know, man, OutRank Brand has some of the best tees on the market. The best pants, hoodies, shorts, everything on the market right now for these Air Jordan 4 military blues. So I want you guys to go check them out, man. You see the tee on, bro. You see the tee. Definitely hit y'all with some B-roll, man. But I feel like this was probably one of the best drops, in my opinion, in terms of going with an OG classic Air Jordan 4s like these, man. So make sure you check out OutRank Brand. Use my discount code DeVintage. Save 10% off your entire order, which is going to be linked down below in the description box. And get it while supplies last, man. I'm telling y'all, it's going to go quick, bro. We got about a week and a half left before the official drop of the Air Jordan 4s right here, man. I cannot wait. It's going to be a crazy one. You guys know we will be live. We're going to be doing a live cop, all that good stuff, interacting with y'all. But please, man, voice y'all comments, voice y'all opinions about these joints. Still, like I said, I love them. I love these joints to death. But Jordan Brand could have given us some better leather quality. They could have, man. Like, we got to be honest about that. We gotta call a spade, bro. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. More content on the way, more live streams. If you guys do not know, we've been going live a lot lately. Just tapping in with you guys live, you know what I'm saying, in real time. It actually feels really good, man. So make sure you hit the notification bell. Do not miss out on the live stream. I read all you guys' comments. We chop it up. We see what's going on. We see what's popping in this new community. Just a good time, man. So don't miss out by hitting the notification bell. Leave a huge like on this video as well, man. Leave a huge like, brother. Mics go a long way. And people are going to be hip on what to expect with these Air Jordan 4 military blues. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. Again, check out OutRank Brand. You guys see the T on. I'm going to link that down below along with my Instagram and my Twitter, man. All my social media links will be in that description box. And all this being said, man, I love y'all. Let me catch you in the next video, man. Peace.